So this will be another quick video, okay, from another project called Life Network. Now Life Network is being headed by medical AI stuff. They are just about medics, okay, about health and so on and so forth. Yes, that is what this project is all about. But they are currently running an airdrop campaign. You know, my platform is just about airdrop. So I'm not really here to talk about ways to invest. Okay, it's just majorly airdrops and stuff like that. Just make sure you participate in this particular airdrop. Okay, it's a simple one. You can literally earn from it and withdraw, but please take note that withdrawal is after the campaign. Referrals is not compulsory, but if you feel like, good, okay, you'll be getting around $0.5 for each referral, and that is really huge. That is very good by me. All right, so let's get started with the tutorial ASAP. Once you click on the link, it will take you to the website like this. Just click on this place at the top to switch to English. All right, then click on where it says start now and earn reward. Click to select your Google account. Just choose your Google account and you proceed. So after sign up, you come over to this page. Just scroll up. You get to see an invite code here. Just click on confirm, but in case the code doesn't appear automatically, just make sure you add it up. Once you confirm it, you'll be getting 250 points. So I'll just click on confirm. Do your check-in on daily basis.
Very importantly, after sign up, you see this your daily mission, this daily mission here. Make sure you do it. It's very important. That should be the first thing. How many hours that do you sleep? Come here, you select how many hours you sleep, how much physical exercise. You just select randomly here. Just select. After selecting, then you click on submit. Okay, to be analyzed and point to be given to you. Make sure you do this. This should be the first thing you do after signing up. This should be the first thing you do after signing up. Take note before you can proceed to doing this your wallet or simple tax together with your social tax, your Twitter tax. Okay, so for you to connect to your wallet, okay, your Phantom wallet, I will advise to use your MySys or your Kiwi browser. Make sure you're having the Phantom wallet extension, okay, connected to it already. If you want to know how to do that, maybe you should use your YouTube to learn how to do it. Okay, it's very simple. So what you just have to do now is to come to this particular wallet mission task, then you click on it to connect your wallet. Now they say connect Phantom, just click on it. So as you can see now, it has been connected. This is my wallet address. Then come here to do this sign in task. Just make sure you sign into your Phantom wallet. If you ask to confirm, just do that. So as you have seen, it has successfully been connected.
As you have seen so far, it's that simple. All right, make sure you sign up using your Google account. Make sure the referral code is actually correct, okay, and you'll be getting additional point for it. Perform your task daily to also earn more points. If you have anyone to refer, fine. If you want to create multiple accounts, feel free to do so, but if you're to do it, please make sure you do it rightly. Use a good VPN. Make sure you're using a good VPN. Change your location, then proceed with your multiple account stuff, all right, to gather more points for yourself. Okay, so that's the trick. See you on the next video, and bye for now.